Dinner's in 5 minutes.
We'll be there in 7 minutes.
Cleaning your room will only take 20 minutes.
Hold up, what does that even mean? Time is a man-made construct. Show kids what 10, 5, and 2 minutes actually mean with Goalie's visual timer app. Kids can use it independently to prepare for what's coming next. Are we leaving for a friend's house in 5 minutes? Let kids set their own visual timer. But be careful, this timer holds all of us accountable. There's a numeric timer and a visual progress bar. You can customize the timer settings like sounds and a sneaky pause in the parent app. Bonus, once your kids got the hang of using this timer, they'll understand how to use timers in the routine app too. If you want the best experience, use a Goalie dedicated device. It acts like a complete iPad replacement, built for kids. There are no web browsers, YouTube, or anything else that distracts. Like the app, you manage everything on your kid's device from your phone. Goalie's super simple and super effective. Try it for a month and see for yourself. No contracts. You make the rules, we do the work. Stop nagging and get Goalie.